Have you ever searched for a adult video on YouTube? Maybe something everyone else is talking about, but you just can't find it. You refresh the page, try different search terms, but it's like the adult video doesn't exist for you. A lot of people think the adult video was deleted or maybe it's blocked in their country, but most of the time, the real reason is a simple setting called restricted mode. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly where to find that setting, how to turn it off, and get back to seeing all the content you're looking for. Welcome back to the channel. So, why does this happen? By default, YouTube sometimes filters out what it considers mature or sensitive content. Even if you never turned on any filters yourself, it's an automatic thing that can be pretty confusing. But don't worry, we're going to fix it right now, step by step. First, go ahead and open the YouTube app on your phone. These steps are the same whether you're using an iPhone or an Android, so everyone can follow along. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see your profile picture there. If you don't have a picture set up, it'll just be a circle with the first letter of your name. Go ahead and tap on that icon. Tapping your profile icon opens up your account menu. You'll see a list of options. What you're looking for is the one that says Settings. It usually has a little gear icon next to it. Tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, there are a few different categories. The one we need is at the very top, General. Tap on General to open up the main controls for your YouTube experience. Now, inside the General menu, you'll need to scroll down. Keep scrolling all the way to the bottom of the list. Right at the end, you'll see an option called Restricted Mode. The description explains that this mode helps hide potentially mature videos. This is the setting that's likely causing the issue. If the switch next to Restricted Mode is blue or toggled to the right, that means it's on. All you have to do is tap it once. Switch will turn gray or move to the left, which means Restricted Mode is now turned off for this device. That's it. You should now be able to find those missing videos. Now, there are a couple of important things to keep in mind. If you're using a device from your school, your workplace, or one that's managed by your parents through Family Link, this setting might be locked. If it's grayed out and you can't change it, that means an administrator has it turned on, and you won't be able to disable it. Also, this setting is device-specific. That means if you turn it off on your phone, it's still on for your tablet or your computer. You'll need to follow these same steps on every device where you watch YouTube. And remember, even with restricted mode off, YouTube's community guidelines and age restrictions still apply. So you'll only see content that's appropriate for your account's age. That's all there is to it. It's a simple fix for a really common problem. If this video helped you out, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more simple step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.